welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the pitch circle diameter, and the following topics will be discussed in the upcoming slides. The first topic is, what is the pitch circle diameter? The second topic is, how to calculate chord length of the flange. The third topic is, flange hole making. We will cover the above topics in the upcoming slides. Next, we will understand what is the pitch circle diameter. Next, the PCD of a flange is one of the critical dimensions. Next, PCD stands for pitch circle diameter, which is the diameter of the circle that passes through the centers of all the bolt holes, or wheel bolts, or wheel rim holes, or studs. Where PCD is the pitch circle diameter of the flange. C is the chord length of the flange. ID is the inside diameter of the flange. OD is the outside diameter of the flange. Next, we will learn how to calculate the chord length of the flange. Next, the following formula is used to calculate the chord length of the flange. Chord length, C, is equals to PCD multiplied by sine of 360 divided by 2n. PCD is the pitch circle diameter of the flange. N is the number of the holes in the flange. According to the provided images, the given PCD is 350 mm, and we need to create 8 holes in the specified blind flange. The given data are: the pitch circle diameter is 350 mm and the number of required holes is 8. Next, we will get the chord length. Apply the given data in the above equation. Next, chord length, C, is equals to 350 multiplied by sine of 360 divided 2 into 8. Next, chord length, C, is equals to 350 multiplied by sin 22.5. Therefore, the obtained chord length, C, is 133.94 mm. Next, we will learn how to mark the flange hole. For example, a 350 mm PCD flange with 8 holes, a chord length of 133.94 mm and ensuring each hole has a diameter of 18 mm. Please refer to the images below for a step-by-step procedure. The first step involves cutting plate materials and to create a flange materials. The second step involves marking the pitch circle diameter at 350 mm. The third step involves dividing the pitch circle circumference by 8 using a chord length of 133.94 mm. The fourth step involves marking the 8 numbers points with a center punch and marking each point with an 18 mm hole diameter. The fifth step involves converting 8 numbered holes into a blind flange with an 8-hole arrangement. The above simple steps were involved for making flange holes. We hope these explanations understood what is the pitch circle diameter, how to calculate chord length of the flange, and procedure for flange hole making. Don't forget to subscribe to our MBS Engineering channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.